Alright, here we are back with part 2. We're going to be troubleshooting here because I tried it and outside with the volts at 10 and nothing happened. So now we're going to be troubleshooting it and we're going to see what happens. Alright. Okay, so we have 575 here, solar bird sounds. And let's see, our voltmeter says 10, as you can see right here. And what's supposed to happen is you're supposed to turn the slide switch off, yes, okay, and then make sure, turn the slide switch on, and then you should hear noise. It's already on, and I don't hear anything. Let me reset it. I mean, I should really be hearing noise right now. I don't know what's going on. See, I just turned it on, and I don't hear anything. This is completely absurd. Like, what? Okay, well, it says for variations on this circuit, replace the 100 UF ultrafarad capacitor C4 with the the C3 capacitor, or replace the speaker with the whistle chip. I don't know what that's supposed to do, but let's try it, okay? So let's put in the C3 capacitor instead of the C4 capacitor, wherever that is. Oh, it's down here. Okay, let's remove some parts. I'm going to put them back in the box since the area around this is wet because of a rainstorm. And we're going to take, in order to do this, we're going to need to disassemble this 5. We're also going to need to disassemble a 3. And then we're also going to need to disassemble this capacitor itself, of course. So let's remove this. Ow. Put it back in the box. And get the C3. Now, I don't know what all this is supposed to do. Is it supposed to make it quieter, louder? I mean, if it makes it quieter, well, then we can't hear it. I don't know what the point of that is. So, I think that's in. Right? Okay. Let's turn it on. Oh, it's already on. Oh, I need to do the, usual connecting and stuff. Okay, sorry for the wavery camera. There's nothing to prop up out here. Let's see. I don't know. The table is dripping on me. Okay, so we got everything installed again. Oh yes, we also need a tube. Okay, there we go. And now let's turn it on again. I mean, you're supposed to hear something, right? Yeah, and I even got the jumper wire installed. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, what's happening? Oh, we missed a 2 between, okay, let me make sure it's off. We missed a 2 between this R, whatever it is. I don't know, R1, I think, or something. R2 resistor. And this C3 capacitor, like so. Okay, let's turn it on. I don't hear anything. And listen to the sound. Yeah, it's supposed to say the sound. Okay, so what's the other variation? Replace the speaker with the whistle chip. Okay, I'm gonna try anything I can do. Let me turn it off. And, I don't know. Let me prop this thing up for a second over here, so that maybe I don't have to hold it for all this time. 2 hands. All right. Let's see. Whoops. So we got a 2 here, and then we got another 2 down here. All right. So we have an SP speaker. That's gonna have to go somewhere. I don't have the box that has the SP speaker part, unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to drop it somewhere. I don't know where, just gonna put it here. Okay, so what does it want us to replace it with? The whistle chip. Okay, fortunately I have this in this box. And it just goes right here, I'm assuming. And so, wait, what? Oh, it just goes like this then. Okay. And so then we just put the 2s back. Put the 2s back like this. And this. And now it's supposed to do something different, I guess. Let me take the phone so you can see better. And let's turn it on again. I hear nothing whatsoever. I feel like the speaker would be better. So let me do that. Because, you know, it's a speaker and the whistle, I think that's supposed to make it quieter, which we absolutely do not want. But if we don't hear anything at all, that's not going to help us in any way. So, I don't know what the problem is. Maybe I'm not interpreting something right. Or maybe the sound is too quiet for us to hear out there. Or something. But I don't know. I don't know. I literally don't know. Let me look at the diagram and do a complete scan of what we did and see if there's anything wrong with it. I'm gonna get the phone so that you can analyze it with me. Okay, there it is. Everything looks in order from here. These 2s and C3s. Well, I don't know what could be the issue. It's definitely getting enough light, as you can see, because of this near 10. It's actually 9, but it says 9 or higher, so. I don't know. It's definitely getting enough light. But just to be sure, well, it's gotten cloudy now, of course. Just to be sure, let me drag it out on the driveway again, because this is half-covered roof. Ow. And maybe it would be a bit better if we put it on outside. See, now it's reading 10 and stuff. Wait a second. I just saw this like 1 sticking out on that S1 slide switch for nothing. Is there supposed to be something there? So I don't see any reason for a 1 to be somewhere without there being a reason for it. Yeah, we missed something. Ha ha ha. Alright, so we missed a 3. I'm gonna need to put the phone down again so I don't have to hold stuff. And so what's gonna happen is I'm gonna have to get a 3. Make sure this doesn't fall over. I'm gonna have to get a 3, and I'm gonna need to put it way under this. I'm gonna need to remove the C1. Put it over here, and then the C1 goes where? Oh, up here. It doesn't look right. The C1 goes here, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay. Okay, we got the C1 installed. Let's see if it works now. See? It works now. I told you. It made a sound for a second. I don't think there's quite enough light for it. It's kind of annoying with all these other birds making noises. So let's take it out on the driveway where there's more light. I saw it down to 7 or 8, and that's not enough according to the manual book. But I heard the sound the first time, and it was very quiet though. Alright, let's put it on. Listen. Hear that? Hear that? Yeah, making a noise. Yep. So there it goes. It's a really weird bird sound. Wow, interesting. You can see the pegged at 10 there. There goes other birds. Okay, yeah. It was all because of that 3 in there, all because of this thing that we missed. All because of that. Wow. Okay, very nice. We've proven that it works. That was part 2. I think that's all. Let me turn it off because that'll cycle it. See, now it's higher pitched. Alright, now it's higher pitched. I can hear that it changes every time you put it back on. Yeah, so if I put my hand over the solar cell here, it just stops because there's no light. If I take it off, suddenly it resumes. Interesting sound. You see the meter flying. Yep, very nice. Alright, that was Snap Circuits Project 575, I think. Solar Bird Sounds. Snap Circuits SC-750 Extreme. That was part 2, the demonstrating process. See you for the next Snap Circuits SC-750 project.